Split pipes? Leaking roofs? Water draining windows? Tiring and exhausted? Stop leaks in seconds. Presenting you Gree waterproof patch and seal spray. A flexible rubberized coating that seals air, water and moisture. A self-level formula that covers your cracks and gives you a watertight seal. Paintable and UV resistant. Gree Stop Leak Spray. Works on metal, concrete, wood, aluminium, brick, tile, rubber, glass and more. Available in 500 ml cans in colors black, white and grey. Gree, quality you can trust. For bulk orders call 99839 98309.